In this video, I am talking about the language of calculus. So, what is calculus symbol and terminologies and how you pronounce it? You might see all these symbols are terminologies in calculus course. The first symbol is about limit of a function. Here f of x means the function of x and limit x approaches to 0. The next symbol is epsilon. Epsilon is the very small number and it is nearly equal to 0. Next we talk about derivative symbols. They show the representation of first derivative. Here y acts as a dependent variable and d by dx is the operator, or we can write it in prime notation y prime or Euler notation capital D sub xy. Similarly, this representation of second derivative is d square y by dx square y double prime d sub x square y. And these all are the different notation of the representation of nth derivative. The next one is the representation of time derivative. As name suggests, the time derivative is a function of t. So here d by dt act as an operator, or the second derivative is represented by d square y by dt square y double dot or d sub t square y. The partial derivative of the function with respect to x is represented by partial f by partial x. We apply partial derivative when we have function of two or more dependent variable. Here f is a function of two variable x and y. Now I discuss the symbol of integral calculus. The symbol integration is represented by this integral. This is the sign of double integral. The next symbol is triple integral. The line integral is represented by small circle O in it. And the closed surface integral is represented by this sign, and closed volume integral is represented by this sign, in which the circle is on all three symbols of integral. This is the symbol of closed interval, where it is closed by large brackets in both ends. The open interval is represented by small brackets at both ends of the interval. Imaginary unit or imaginary number is represented by iota in calculus. The next symbol is about complex conjugate. Complex conjugate is represented by z star or z bar. In mathematics or in calculus, the real part of a complex number is represented by this symbol RE and Z in round bracket. The imaginary part of a complex number is represented by this symbol IM and Z in round bracket. The absolute value of a complex number is represented by Z close in these two bars line. The argument of a complex number is represented by small letter arg and z is in round bracket. The nebula or del operator symbol is shown here. This symbol represents vector if we have arrow in some number x, y, z, a, b. If we have hat on some letter, it represents a unit vector. The constant number, or it is also known as Euler number, is represented by letter E, and it represents the symbol of infinity. This is the symbol of Laplace transform. The next one is the symbol of Fourier transform. This symbol represents a delta function, Our convolution in calculus is represented by x steric y. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.